Namaste, good evening and a very warm welcome to all of you on our Diwali and Eid special episode tonight. आप सबको हाई लाइफ दुबई की ओर से दिवाली और ईद के त्यौहार पर ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ, खुशियाँ और हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. I wish you and your loved ones nothing but happiness, peace and prosperity. This auspicious time of the year is all about spending time with friends and family and of course exchanging gifts. और यही ध्यान में रखकर आज के एपिसोड में हम आप सबको देने वाले हैं ढेर सारे इनाम. So get ready to get yourself pampered. But tonight's show is not only about winning gifts, it's also about getting some interesting tips. Hairstyling expert Shimsha Shetty from Juice is here to give you some simple yet classy do-it-yourself party hairstyling tips. And where there is hairstyling, makeup can't be too far. दुबई की well-known makeup artist मालिनी ओहरी आप सबको डे मेकअप और पार्टी मेकअप डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करके दिखाने वाली हैं. उसके बाद we have India's celebrated fashion designer Neeta Lilla with us on High Life Dubai, and she is giving two Dubai-based socialites a festive makeover. Some jewelry to complete the whole look. Come and take a look at Payal Shahadatpuri's exquisite polki work at the Armani. A very classy auction is up next on our list from Bonhams. And last but not the least, Citizen Watches launches the Eco Drive Dome collection. So it's party time on High Life Dubai tonight. Stay tuned and let the celebrations begin right here on High Life Dubai. The richest ornament of a woman is none other than her crowning glory, her hair. It is what frames your face, and only a few simple strokes of your comb can change your appearance considerably. Since the party season is here now, we want to show you a few styles and a few tricks that can transform you into a diva. Ready to party the night through. Let the expert take over from here. Shimsha is the lead stylist at Juice Spa Salon, Dubai, and is demonstrating how to look great in just a few minutes. Watch on.
Your basic necessity tools is like a good tail comb, a big round brush, a good dryer, and a tongue. You just wash your hair with a good shampoo and conditioner, which is really important. And then I actually literally push dried her entire hair backwards. No need of taking too many sections, just kind of brush it all at the back, make it look big. And then just take your brush and just style it the way you want it. Your second look, just brush it up, just take your one section and just put a quiff and pin it up. Don't load it up with too many pins. 1 or 2 pins is more than enough. Make it feel loose, nothing too tight. And then I just swept the entire hair to one side. You can either leave it that way or you just put in like a loose a ponytail on the side and just put a few accessories. So it suddenly gives that simple look a very elegant touch. Then the third look again is what I just did was I just opened up that ponytail. That's it. and I just flipped it all around, curl up your tongue, and then just leave it. So you get really that, Cheryl Cole with a desi twist. You know what I mean? It's really in the season, really big soft curls. So yeah, enjoy the 3 hairstyles. It's really easy. Or you can just contact me in Juice.
That was easy, not very complicated, and yet so chic. And the best part is that you don't need to go to a salon to achieve this trendy look. Now, thanks to Shimsha Shetty, you can do it yourself at home. And since Juice Spa Salon endorses good hair care products, they want you to have some of them too. They are giving away 2 amazing hampers filled with some goodies, and all you need to do is answer this simple question. And the question is, what's the name of this salon? A. Juice Spa Salon. B. Liquid Spa Salon. C. Hairspray Spa Salon. SMS your entries with your name, contact number and location on 6127, or go on our website and send in your details quickly. Good hair is just an SMS away, so do not delay. और hair styling के बाद perfect makeup लगाना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. To complete the look, Dubai's popular makeup artist Malini Ohri from Splendors is about to show you how. Malini is demonstrating an easy-to-do day look for the festive season, after which she will show us how to change that into a glamorous yet elegant evening look.
I have actually done a very, very simple light makeup for the festive season. As colors are very vibrant nowadays, but Naina has helped me by wearing a very vibrant dress. So I don't want the dress and the makeup to fight with each other. I've kept the makeup very light with a peach glow. And I have not taken help of an eyeliner. Just use very heavy mascara on the upper lids and lower lids. So to give a very nice, fresh, happy look for the season. So after I've done the foundation, I have used a slightly darker shade on Naina's under chin and slightly under the cheekbones to give it a shape. And I've contoured Naina's nose very, very slightly to give it a more finer point. I'm going to change this morning makeup to an evening makeup. So Naina sparkles in the evening too. To change Naina's look from the morning to the evening, all I've done is to add a lot of sparkling eyeshadow to Naina's eyes. And I have lined her eyes with a light eyeliner on the top and little smoky, soft, smudgy eyeliner at the bottom lid. But I've only done half, and I've added a glitter on the inner eye to give Naina width to her eyes. I've increased her contouring, like strengthen the contouring, increase the blush on, and put some sparkling powder on her upper cheeks to go with the evening occasion. And I've just put some lip gloss on her lips to give her the sparkle. So my suggestion is that this Eid and Diwali, glow like a diya, but don't overdo yourself, overdo your makeup and look like a Christmas cracker.
That was beautiful and pretty easy to achieve at home with some good brushes and practice. For all of you who want to have a beautiful party makeup done, then surprise, surprise. Malini Ohri is giving away 2 vouchers for a party makeup, and all you need to do is answer this simple question. And the question is, what's the name of Malini's salon? A. Splendors. B. Splendid. C. Superb. SMS your entries with name, contact number and location on 6127, or go on our website and send in your entries. Ab waqt hai ek chote se break ka. See you on the other side. After the break, we have India's celebrated fashion designer Neeta Lulla as she makes over 2 Dubai-based beauties, and then a look at some festive jewelry from the talented Payal Shahadpuri.